What is up, guys? It's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery and author of Diamonds in the Sky. And today we're going to talk about a big no-no during your sales game that I know a lot of you guys are making. And it's selling at the door. And this can also apply to selling on the phone or basically selling before you're actually sitting down with a customer to do a sales presentation, okay? And a lot of you guys, I think, are relying on the fact, or you're misinterpreting the reason why somebody says yes and lets you on the roof. So if you knock on somebody's door, the reason they're letting you come over or set up an inspection with them for the next day or whatever is not because they think they can get a free roof out of it. I know that's what it seems like, but the reason that they're really letting you come over is because they want to know, yes or no, does my roof have damage? Okay? And so a lot of you guys are relying on thinking that, oh, I have to tell them, well, the reason that they should let me over and do an appointment with them is because I could get them a free roof and insurance pays for it and blah, blah, blah. When you're at the door or you're on the phone, let's say you're calling a referral or whatever, the only thing that you're trying to accomplish in that moment is for them to say yes to an inspection. That's it. Don't sell at the door. We're not selling there. You're jumping the gun. Guys, a lot of you obviously there's so many of you that have, challenges during your door knocking, your lead generation and stuff like that. And part of it is because people don't like to be sold things at the door, right? So if somebody knocks on the door and they're like, great, here's a salesman, okay? So if you jump in and you're like, we could get you a free roof at our company, blah, 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 and insurance will come out and pay for it, and yet you're selling at the door. And all we need to get to when you're knocking on that person's door is, hey, Mrs. Jones, really sorry to bug you, but I don't know if you've noticed there's been quite a bit of activity since that storm out here. We're finding there's surprisingly quite a bit of damage, so we're doing some free inspections. It's better safe than sorry. I'm not a roof salesman, so I'm not here to sell you anything. I basically just am doing free inspections for the neighbors. We found quite a bit of damage on the houses in this area, and so most of them are about the same age. If there's damage on, John and Kim's over here and Mike and Teresa's, there's likely damage on a lot of the other houses. So we're popping over to just do some inspections. I can stop by on Thursday at either 3 or would 6 o'clock work better for you? Don't go into, insurance is paying for these roofs. There's that big storm and people are getting their roofs for as cheap as their deductibles, sometimes $500. You're going too far. We're just trying to get them to understand that there's a reason why they might have their roof looked at and then just agree to an inspection. So don't overdo it, okay? And again, if you feel like you're having to rely on selling at the door, it's because your approach is not that strong. And again, if you need help with that, you can check out one of the sales training programs on my website, www.roofsalesmastery.com. And as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel for other free quick tips and stuff like that. I will catch you guys on the next one. Keep it crunchy. Bye.